Little dude.
Hello, little dude.
Thank you, Marty, for my bakers tonight, crumbs. They're so delicious. Yum. Yum.
Sparrow Heaven will be like, oh, you brute. Oh, uh-oh. Here comes the cavalry. You started a minor war here, Marty. Oh, that one's really tame. Can you hand it to him? I wonder if that one will let you hand it to him. He's already got his mouth full, that's the problem. Go on. If he didn't have his mouth full, maybe. Come on, be brave. That's it. Be brave. Be brave. That's it. Come on. Oh, 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 you're so close, Marty. Ah. You jumped too soon. Oh, there he goes. Nom, 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 nom. Nom, 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 nom. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, you biffed him.
Thank you, Marty.
Nice one, he caught that on the bounce. That one's got skills. Yeah, what? You left it behind? What? Yeah, he's got it.